And that's how you put on a condom. Don't do that.
Y'all motherfuckers, yeah. Y'all know I'm in Amsterdam. All my Amsterdam motherfuckers, put your motherfucking hands in the motherfucking air. I love to swear, yeah. This one's going out to all of you, blood. A-Town is my town. I have to move from B-Town to find out wherever I lay my hat. I never stop, I make it pop. I keep telling them, blood. A-Town is my town. I have to move from B-Town to find out wherever I lay my hat. I never stop, I make it pop. Yo, I moved here about a year ago. Was clearing my flow that I'm a red the Neverland brother, my second home. I'm full of flavor, mate, lack of the schmack. I met the devil himself, hell, we jumped on the track. I tell you what, good life, the good life, I'm living that good life, the good life. Hell yeah, I'm walking down the street and all I see is Bustard, Chinchilla, Zyra, Karma 83. Whichever way the wind blows, it stinks the crow, and that's a good reason to call this home. Every time I go and buy my weed, I'm like, dank about radar, ash to believe. I started at the bottom, worked my way up. I did a little damn breaks and the cannabis cup. I'm loving all the people that I met along the way, and knowing all of you makes it easy to say. A-Town is my town. I have to move from B-Town to find out wherever I lay my hat. I never stop, I make it pop. Motherfuckers down now. A-Town is my town. I have to move from B-Town to find out wherever I lay my hat. I never stop, I make it pop. Amsterdam, just came to do my thing. Yeah, I just came to do my thing. Amsterdam, just came to do my thing. Yeah, I just came to do my thing. Yo, I'm getting cheeky on the radio. Monday I play the show live on air. Yeah, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Will you listen? I don't know. Do I give a fuck? Hell no. But you're missing out, fella, for sure. Johnny Ingles, my man to mingle. He's bringing grime to the red light district. 5 elements provide the residence with fresh gums and hip-hop music. Like everyone else, I got a 9 to 5. Euro shopping down the aisle behind. I'm picking up a little bit of cash, little bit of kit, paying for the shit with a pin in the check. But ever ask about me, party and hardster. Devil's harvest, plans to the answer. I'm still rugged and repping for more we finish. I'm still reckon we're the best that ever did.